Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Welcome guys, this is Rizwan, you watching Sparkline. Today we are unboxing facial steamer. Guys, this is the box, looks like this. It's very cleanly packed. The other side has giving detailing step by step. You can just follow the steps. This is a Healthsense brand. It's a very nice brand. Let's unbox this. We'll check what are inside. Inside we'll get one user manual for instruction how you're gonna use this. You just read it. We just take out these things. Guys, this is the steamer, looks like this. It looks very nice. It's a very lightweight also. The color combination really awesome. This is a power button. It's a brand name also. The backside has given plug-in wire, and also you can put this water for steaming. Let's open this. It's really small. It's very perfect to fit for that. In the bottom also giving rubber finish for your gripness. If you keep in the bottom your table, we just fill this water. We'll see how it will gonna be work. This steamer we have bought it in Amazon.in. The price was 1,499 rupees. If you need this, I'll give you a link in the description. You can check out that details. We just plug in. We'll see how it will gonna work. We just turn on. Look at this. Inside show the blue color light. If they show the blue color light, it's gonna be start working. The water is boiling. It will take 30 to 40 seconds get the steaming. Now started. Look at this. The smoke is coming out. Very nice. In this video, that's all guys. If you like the video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll see you on next video.